Hi, my name is Angie, and my current field placement is where I work. I am an addiction counselor for a long-term residential women and children's program. The program is anywhere between 1 year to 18 months. So the women stay here and they get addiction treatment, mental health treatment, medication management, parenting classes, domestic violence classes, thinking errors, and so on and so forth. So um, really a busy program. So what I really hope to get out of this course, I have been working in this field since 2007 with a little break in between. So I have really wanted to be able to work with mental health and trauma. So I'm really interested to be able to treat trauma. I mean, I understand it, but I don't know how to treat it. So that's really what I'm hoping to get out of this course is to learn, like, how do I do that? I think studying trauma is important for my future because this is the field that I choose to be in. Um, and with addiction, a lot of the times there is a majority of the girls that have, well, the clients in general, that they have a history of some sort of trauma, physical, sexual, emotional trauma that they have experienced, whether it be in childhood or with their addictive behaviors. So I think it's going to be definitely very relevant for my future career. Three ways that I will take care of myself. So I do get massages once a month. I've done that for the past 4 years very consistently, and that helps me a lot. I'm also in recovery, so I do attend AA meetings, and that really helps me to be able to just kind of have that hour of time to myself. Another way that I'll take care of myself is by talking to my field instructor. That really helps me a lot, and being a part of like the group supervision and the individual supervision. So nice to meet everybody, and we'll see you soon. Thank you.